March 29th and 30th, Wednesday and Thursday, the sun is in Aries and the moon is one sign past in Taurus, and so is Mars. So we've got this grounding energy coming in. We've been talking about this crazy fire energy and everybody's all bossy and pushy and they're all fighting and getting pissy. And Taurus is like, can you guys calm down? Can we just take it down a notch, says Taurus? So the moon in Taurus is the best placement you can have. Why? Because the moon is a fastest moving planet in the sky. It goes through all 12 signs in a month. So it's very emotional. It rules our body, our emotional body. It rules water. So it makes people all get weirded out, except when it's in an earth sign and it's in a solid sign of Taurus, the tree, and suddenly we're very stable. So the moon in Taurus these next couple of days on Wednesday and Thursday is really giving us a chance to take a reprieve from that unbelievable amount of fire. Honestly, I've never seen 6 planets in fire before in my whole career of 40 years doing this. So having the moon and Mars in Taurus now, whew, you know that feeling after you go for a run and then you can calm down? Or you just finished making love and you can calm down? Or you just finished having a big fight and you're like, can we all just stop? This is the energy for the next couple of days. So take advantage. Taurus, what do they love? To take a breath, to have a little bit of chocolate, to sit together with their best friend and snuggle. Aries is like, oh my God, that's so boring. But this is really what's up right now. So Astrology Answers wanted me to tell you during Wednesday and Thursday to take advantage. Mars is slowing us down. It's very methodical in Taurus. The moon is very slow and stable. There's nothing wrong with following the rhythms. That's what astrology is about. There's cycles. There's ups and downs. Right now we're having a couple days of like, whoa, that was a fiery hot one. Astrology Answers brought Deborah Silverman to tell you it's okay to take a moment and pause.